Hi everyone. As June rolls in, the hardneck garlic plants start making these flower stems in the center, commonly known as garlicscapes. The softneck garlic varieties do not make this stem such as this one here. These garlicscapes are a delicacy, and people who grow hardneck garlic look forward to this stage of garlic growth. These garlicscapes need to be harvested, otherwise the plant would invest its energy in making small bulbs atop of these capes rather than making large garlic bulbs under the ground. To harvest these capes, you simply cut them at their end where they come up from the center of the plant. These capes can be sautéed or made into pickles or pesto or even frozen to use later. We love to sauté them. Now when these start appearing, they will be thin, and you want to wait a bit till they get about this thick. That way you will have better garlicscape harvest. And here is a tip to get more of this harvest. Keep an eye on the ones you already harvested because the center stem keeps growing even after harvesting. We harvested these yesterday and they are already growing more. Once it is 4 to 6 inches long, you can harvest it again and get even more harvest. We have 140 garlic plants and we will harvest them in small batches for next few days, but we won't leave them for long. If you want to make pickle or something which needs a large amount of these, you can harvest them all in one go. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.